All right, guys, so this is what my closet looks like currently. This is the right side. Here I'm gonna put a steamer eventually, probably later on this year or next year. And then on this side, I have the rest of the cabinets. This is gonna remain blank, and I'll just probably reserve it for putting boxes and whatnot that will not fit up there. So I think it looks really good, y'all. Like, the camera doesn't even do it justice. Like, this is a totally different room than when I started, if you remember. And there we go. I'm actually most likely about to order the mirror that goes right here. I'm also working on the wiring for the lighting and making sure that's as invisible as possible. I'll talk more into that when I'm in the lighting phase. But anyway, I'm about to install... Hold on. I'm about to install this shelf up here so I can start like getting this together. That's all I'm gonna do today. That's all I'm gonna do today, simply because I want to put up the wallets up there. All this is probably gonna come up to about this height, where I can put like my perfumes and my art and whatnot. So that's it. I actually forgot to say that I actually need to wait until I put the wallpaper on this before I add the shelving. So in order to not make it more work for me, I'm just gonna wait. And then I'll put up the shelving like I did on this side. So the walls are just gonna have to go back in the other room as they were, just on the carousel I showed. So I got the wallpaper in, as you saw. Now I'm gonna start cleaning all this stuff up, or maybe I should put the shelving up here first. Now I think I'll start cleaning up here first. So that's what the next clip will be. I changed my mind. I'm gonna start with the shelf, then I'll do a shoe shelf down here. I think that'll be it for tonight. So here is the glass shelf that's going up there, and then I have an accessory thing that a folder that I'll show in the next clip after putting this up. So comes like this. Just here's the hardware. It's super easy. So I'm just gonna take it out and place it right there while I put up the hardware. This is faster. So I just needed to match up to this. And that's it. If you remember, this shelf over on this side did not fit well. Like, the holes were misaligned in the middle. I really hope that's not the case with this one. I think this one's like missing those middle holes entirely, I think. Well, try I'll find out once I align it. So I'm just gonna... Maybe I'm installing this incorrectly. Okay. Oh god. So it is incorrect. That was me. Okay, so I installed that one incorrectly. I need to reverse it, which I will at whatever point.
She a tell me say her boyfriend YC. Man a feeling so icy, vibesy. Man a bad man, you can call me YB. And I step in the yard with no...
Okay, maybe for these, use a hand one, because the drill moves too fast. Okay, one last time.
Yeah, them a burn up. Till the morning them a turn up. See the girl them pull up. See the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up. Till the morning them a turn up. I like the way I'm...
I love how you can see things from down here, because here is gonna be my little get ready section. Like I'm gonna put perfumes and art and all of that, and I'm anticipating the drawers are gonna come up to like here, so I can have enough space for all that. So hopefully my calculations are correct. Okay, so this is the last piece I'll be doing today. Oh god, I actually broke this. But anyway, I gotta fix this and pull it back in. But this is what I'm gonna be working on, the bottom of this.
Original Batman.
So far the beats check.
Girl, bad man, they feel the way you whine to the rhythm and the bass. Move to the rhythm, make we groove, make we move to my play. You are got a rhythm and a vibe that I make a man crazy. Wine from the north to the south, you are set the house a play. Vibes on vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. You can balance it, check and balance it. No one bad man see, check and balance it. You put me on the low, you put me on the road. Bad man let them know, nobody have to know, nobody have to know. Interconnected style, Lagos to Joburg, them and then they feel your vibe. Interconnected style, Lagos to Joburg.
Alright, so I've put in 2 of the pull-out shelves. I think it looks really good, but I'm super tired. I still have one of these that I bought a while back that I haven't installed, but I love that as well. So I'll continue this fun tomorrow. I took Thursday off. I have Friday off already, and then I should be done. God knows I'm tired. Anywho, it's a fun project. Only real thing I'm still searching for is a mirror. Ideally, I want to buy one from Facebook Marketplace because I'm not trying to spend $300-400 on a mirror. Like, So, let's get into it. See you tomorrow. So I've just put this second shelf, and here you can clearly see what I've been trying to show y'all. So underneath here is a secondary hole that you put this tab in, and you just, as you can see, you just put it in here, you press it in. It's actually this metal piece that's making it difficult to press in, so I'm gonna have to use a hammer. And so ultimately this is what it's supposed to look like. The hole hook in there, so there's 2 holes here. There's also a hole back there, and bam, you got a pants valet. I like the height. I think if I put it any taller it would be too far up, so it's perfect. I just added the second shelf and I think it looks so good. I don't yet have the pants to put in there, but the space is there. I can put 4 pants on each rack. I think that's a really cool addition because it makes picking up your pants like really interesting, and it has a soft close.